I work at Lil E Cafe. I'm the barista, the dancing barista, if you will. And I had to got a job by the owner, Paul Constein.
Yeah, this is my daughter Ella. She's 4, and she was the inspiration behind starting Lil E. Yeah, we like to say it's more than just a coffee store. So we say it's brewing greatness by providing employment opportunities for individuals with development and intellectual disabilities. Working with the Aspen group, and then obviously having my daughter Ella with Down syndrome, is something that I wanted to build awareness and create acceptance of these individuals, and just showing the world of the true magic they bring to everybody.
Paul was the one who did all the heavy lifting, though, I can tell you that. He did a lot of the work. I helped this thing get off the ground. We talked to all the contractors who were involved with this renovation. They were all really excited about the cause, excited about the concept of a not-for-profit coffee shop.
When we heard about what was going into this lobby as part of the renovation, we were really excited.
The Lil E project was actually, probably one of the smallest projects we've ever worked on, but everybody wanted to know about it.
We felt at the time that it was going to be transformational to Calgary, and it sure turned out to be that way.
Part of the ability to create spaces that work is to have amenities within those spaces that people want to go to. The Lil E Cafe provides a perfect spark for creating that.
There was a lot of things that had to happen and take place, but in the end, to see it finished and ready, it's just like it warms the heart in a way.
It's not tucked away in the plus 15 with big lineups around. It's more personal. People can congregate.
It's become, the coffee shop isn't just in that one location, it's all over. And we hope to see lots of people walking around Lil E and going up and down the elevators with Lil E cups.
The space was designed to have community. It was all about community and bringing people together.
You cannot order a cup of coffee and not feel great and have a smile on your face.
Do you like working here?
I love working so much. Greeter and coffee, task training, and housekeeping.
What's your favorite job?
I want a cup of coffee.
Do you make the coffee?
Yeah.
Did you make this coffee? Yeah. This is so good.
Everybody has something to give in this world, and all you need to be given is the chance, and that's what this has really done.
After a year, they get certified, we build up their skills and help start their careers. So that's where it really changed. It was a pivotal point for us, from a coffee store to a platform to build careers and be a hiring chain.
Been working here over 1 year, and it's been making the coffee, doing the cabs, working on my math skills, which I need to practice with. But it's like one of my main dreams. I just love it. I mean, the best part of this whole job is to have the free coffee, which I love.
Yeah, no, I've had a ton of their coffee. We actually get their roast beans.
Coffee's good. Yeah, coffee's really good.
My favorite coffee is spinach. It's spinach and almond milk, espresso, honey to it.
Well, I'm really into the mochas because it has chocolate and stuff, and I love chocolate. Who doesn't love chocolate?
Everybody that's here that goes and buys a coffee understands they're really helping these young people with those skills to go out and get the next job and build their careers and be ready for the workforce.
Opening up the magic of these individuals that are kind of contained and they're not sure, so providing a comfortable, fun atmosphere and just seeing them blossom. So, it's getting those emails and texts from the parents saying, "You just changed my kid's life." And here I think we're just operating a coffee store. You want to go see Mom? Say bye. Can you say bye?
Bye.